In this problem, we are being asked to solve this equation that looks pretty complicated. It looks like it's a fourth degree equation. It's partially factored out, or some of the terms are. It looks pretty weird. The key is to recognize that this is actually written in the form of a quadratic. You have this chunk, y squared minus 8 squared, minus that same chunk to the first power plus a number. So I think what I'm going to do to try to make this a little more clear is do something called u-substitution. And this is something when you get up into calculus, you'll use a form of u-substitution a lot. Basically, what we're going to say is that y squared minus 8 is u. And we're going to rewrite this with u in place of y squared minus 8. So that would make this part u squared. And this part right here minus 2u, and then we have our plus 1, and then equals 0. When you write it like that, you should see right away that this is just a simple quadratic equation, and we can probably factor this. Let's see, we've got a negative sign here and a positive sign here. That means it's going to be minus and minus. The first term is u squared, so it's just u and u, and the factors of 1, the only possible ones are 1 and 1, and that works. It adds up to the negative 2u. So we've got one solution here, u minus 1 equals 0, so u equals 1. Once we've gotten this far, we undo the u substitution. So we get y squared minus 8 back in for u, and u equals 1, so y squared minus 8 equals 1. And this is a new quadratic that we can solve. I'm going to add 8 to both sides. This one's pretty easy to solve because we get y squared equals 9, and then we just take the square root of both sides. So we get y equals a positive or a negative 3, and those are our solutions. So the little u substitution with something really complicated that's really actually a simpler quadratic hiding there.